Was that cheese sticks? We're not gonna be using those in this house. Ingredients. Get 2 garlic cloves and we start chopping them into really fine bits. 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and we let it sizzle for 1 to 2 minutes. Do not brown the garlic. It will turn your sauce into a bitter enemy. Extra virgin olive oil goes in. Crushed tomatoes, canned at the height of summer. Get good sauce. The garlic, you see, it's sizzling. Rip the basil by hand. I like to rip it by hand because it really releases a different flavor. It's more natural, it's more organic to do it by hand. I put about 4 leaves, give it that flavor. Only 10 to 12 minutes from this point at a medium flame. Pinch of salt, and it's done. Let it cook, let it do its thing. It's gonna be incredible. Just like you are. Now the spinach going into boiling water for just a few minutes. Okay, so this literally went in for 2 minutes. Now we take them out, them under cold water, you can put ice to it. We're gonna create that kind of shock. So now we're using a cheesecloth, we're gonna squeeze them out. They retain a lot of water, so you cannot just cut them after they've been blanched. This is gonna go inside the ricotta with a little bit of salt. It's gonna be perfect. Spinach go in. Do the same with the ricotta. If it's fresh, make sure you drain the ricotta. The ricotta goes in, now you mix it all. You get it just into a nice creamy mixture. And you add a little pinch of salt. Let's transform a simple viral recipe into a family tradition. The pasta water is boiling, we add a generous amount of salt. You want to salt your water like you would a seasoned soup. One thing about this pasta dish, since it's going back in the oven, is to not overcook your pasta. So we're gonna cook it after cooking time that it says on the package. Now this is just being cooked al chiodo, to the nail, because it's hard as a nail. It's not al dente. This is gonna be harder than al dente because it's going in the oven for 30 minutes afterwards. So we don't wanna make it, floppy and mushy. I'm gonna let it cool off here. I just used like a little plastic, ago, just improvise. Okay, we're going to complete our beautiful honeycomb, putting everything in. Now everything is placed down, we pipe the ricotta in. I imagine now you're cutting into it. It's gonna have a whole cover of tomato and basil sauce, mozzarella, parmigiano. Then you cut into it, and each one of them, it's like a manicotti. It's time for the mozzarella. I'm gonna break it by hand. I want kind of an uneven, shredded bits. Look at this. Now we're gonna create that parmigiano topping, the one that's gonna help you make it really crispy. It's all ready. Now we're gonna bake it for 30 minutes at 390 Fahrenheit. It's gorgeous, it's ready. Now we let it set for about 10 minutes. And then we're going to do the reveal. Let's hope for the best.
Oh yeah.
Wow. What's gonna happen now? Dun 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 dun. And Agostino just couldn't wait.
Yep.
Make the nonno proud. Mi raccomando, non facciamo brutte figure. my nonna would say. Mamma mia. This, look at this. You serve this as an appetizer. Just look how beautiful it is, just on its own. It's got that gorgeous ricotta inside.
Wow.
Buonissimo! E quanto è buono! Do it at home. Send me a picture, send me a video. This is so delicious. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Mwah!